Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Courtney and I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark and eBay. If you're not new, thanks so much for coming back. It means the world to me. So I'm here today because my parents both came up to bring a shelving unit up to me. So my middle sister, Amy, shout out to Amy. They don't watch my videos, so it's okay. She sent me a text message and said, hey, we're getting rid of this bookshelf. Is it something that you might want? So I have a house, it's pretty much furnished, but my workspace is in my loft. And I did have a space under a window that would be perfect for what she sent me a photo of. So I said, absolutely. It was only IKEA. It wasn't, anything special, but it's free. And I was like, yes, I'll take it. Well, my parents actually had to go down to see, I don't know, my nieces or something. And so my mom had this bookshelf in her car and they came to bring it to me and we got it up to the loft, which is kind of sketchy because I have a ladder. Anyways, long story short, my mom also brought me a box of goodies. And so I thought I would jump on here and show you some stuff that my mom has found. She actually went to Florida recently, I think, and she stumbled across a yard sale and she had a few pickups, and I don't know what's in here, but if you like these reseller content, if you like, I don't know what to call this kind of video, my mom's finds, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. I try to put out 1 to 2 videos each week. And if you like this video and let me and my mom know that I should continue to show her fun finds, definitely hit the thumbs up. That lets us know that we should do more of these, or I should do more of, I don't know. You get what I mean. So with that, if you don't know, my mom does go sourcing with me pretty often to the LA bins, but we can't always go together, and sometimes we go sourcing separately. So she lives about an hour away from me, and like I said, she was traveling, but she does prepare comps for me. She is learning this whole journey as well, and I think when she retires, she wants to do this as a hobby. And so it's good. It's very helpful that she's able to prepare stuff. So like I said, I don't know what's in here. I don't know really anything other than it was a yard sale. I think she spent, so everything was $1. She spent $23 total. So I'm guessing there's 23 items. But anyways, I'm just gonna go through and show you what she found. She did say, funny story, it was in Florida. I don't know a part. It's been a while since I've been to Florida, but she said that she was driving, and when she saw this yard sale sign, it wasn't on the yard sale app, and the girls running it, 2 girls probably about my age, they started it at like 2 and they just said they didn't like to wake up early. So she said they were characters and she had a lot of fun finding some stuff. So first up, and I think this might be in order, hopefully, is a Ted Baker, which I've sold quite a bit of Ted Baker men's stuff. I love finding it. And this is really cute. Has some fun floral pop on the sleeves. Size 3. I can't remember their sizing, so I'll have to look it up, what it translates to. But she's thinking probably about 32 to 40 for this, which is awesome. Definitely very springy and summery for a man. This is a pair of something new with tags. These are really cute. Little shorts. And it's the brand Altered State. I think they sell this at Urban Outfitters. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I love the style. So she's thinking probably about 20 to 25 for these since they are new with tags. And it's short season, which is great. That's cute. I already love it. Whatever this is. I love polka dots. And oh man, it's not my size. That's very unfortunate. So this is a dress, kind of a shift dress, and it's got 3/4 length sleeves. It has an exposed zipper up the back. Man, this is adorable. I'm not familiar with this brand. Lily Wing for Lily's Closet. So black tunic dress. Yeah, not sure. Size extra small, but I think this could easily fit as small as well. This is cute. Man, I wish that were my size. She's thinking about 32 to 40 for that. Another new with tags. This is DKNY. Oh, this is really cute. I don't know what these sleeves are doing, but those are cute. So it's kind of a sheer blouse and it's got more polka dots. Look at these sleeves, how beautiful that is. So the original price, so it's extra small again. Man, that's too bad because again, I would love this. $89 was the original price. Beautiful blouse. She's thinking about $30 to $35 for that. One of my favorite brands. I love finding this, and I found it at the bins a number of times. Wow. Again, oh, this is my size, so I'll sell it because it's worth more. This is a Equipment Femme, and just by the feel of it, knowing this brand, it's a silk button down. This brand is very expensive retail, so it's sheer sleeves, and a good resale value. So she's thinking about 32 to 40. I wonder if she just found the plaid wasn't doing as well. I haven't sold a plaid one. Usually they can go for a little bit more, so maybe that's on the low end, but that's a great find. This is interesting. I'm not familiar with this, but this is a really fun color. It's like iridescent. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera, but it's 3/4 length sleeves, size 12. Let's see if the label's showing. Marissa Baratelli. Let's see if she wrote anything. Yeah, it's an iridescent lightweight jacket. Button front jacket. Long sleeves, not 3/4 length. Size 12. She's thinking actually 40 to 50. I don't know if you guys know this brand, but I have not seen it, and that's great comps. So sure, that's awesome. Let's see. These are, what are you? Shorts. Oh, Pair Theory shorts. These are cute. That's a cute style. Kind of dress pants shorts. Is that a thing? Those are really cute. So here's the label, Theory. And let's see, gray cuffed dress Bermuda shorts, 96% wool. So she's thinking about 24 to 30 for these. That's fun. Love Patagonia. These are fun. I think these are probably what, a men's? No, women's. Okay, so they're Patagonia size medium. They're called, they don't have a name. So just little shorts. Elastic waistband. These, she's thinking about 24 to 30. Let's see. This is random. What in the world? So it's new with tags. Mother, what? This is Zumba, like the workout thing. I actually had an employee of mine who taught Zumba classes for fun. So it's got on the back like little graphic parts. Does it have a price? So sleeveless zip up hoodie, thunder in gray, and it's Zumba wear. That's cute. I don't know if Zumba's still really popular, but I know it used to be. So she's thinking for that, new with tags, probably about 20 to 25, which is cool. This is, I like this brand. This is a size large. It's Hale Bob. I just really think they have some fun pieces. This is very pretty. Might have to wear this before it sells. And it's kind of a sweater, lightweight sweater on the back. That's cute. So she's thinking about 28 to 35 for this. Oh, this is a fun one. My mom has actually found Robert Graham a number of times, and I have never found it. But this style with the embroidery is probably the higher end kind. So Robert Graham is women's and men's. I actually just sold a dress this morning of a Robert Graham dress, wrap dress. Can't remember how much it sold for, 30 or 35. So they do make both, but they're kind of known for, I'm not sure if you can see the label, kind of funky prints. They usually have some like fun lining. The sleeves or the cuffs usually have, they're just usually pretty unusual pieces. And some of them can resell for a lot of money, especially if they're kind of like, the more funky, the better, the more you're gonna get for them. So I would say that this seems kind of small. What size is she saying? A size large. So is this women's? This has got to be women's. Okay. I don't know how the price. So Robert Graham, she's saying this is going to go for about 40 to 50, which is not surprising, but that's women's. That's cute. Okay. This is another New Tags Altered State. This is really pretty. It's kind of a very boho. The sleeves are beautiful. Wow. Is this my size? Size large. I really try not to shop for myself, so it's just always tempting. Okay, so Altered State, and it looks like the original price on this was $79.95. This is super pretty. Perfect for spring and summer. I mean, it's a sweater, but it's still kind of lightweight. So she's thinking about 32 to 40 for that. I mean, she said that she found some good stuff, but this is actually pretty impressive for a yard sale. So thank you to the girls holding the 2 p.m. yard sale. This is another Altered State. Another really great, this isn't New with Tags though. This is perfect with shorts with a little cami underneath. That's adorable. So this is a size large. Looks like it runs a little bit small on this one. So she's thinking about 15 to 20 for that. Oh, there's two. Oh. I love when my mom brings me fun stuff. It's like a surprise. It's like Christmas. Oh, okay. Oh, got it. Okay, so these are Izod Golf, which I've actually sold some golf skirts before. And they do pretty well. They sell pretty quick. So this is size 10. And really cute print. So you can see I don't know if you can see the little shorts. Very thin. And then it looks like there's two, I'm assuming, since they were wrapped together. This is Izod Golf, size 10. So someone at this yard sale was a golfer, or maybe tried it and didn't like it. These feel actually really new, like they've never been worn. There's no tags, but really cute print, really great sizes, perfect for the season coming up. So for both of those, she's suggesting listing them together since they're the same size, and 32 to 40 for the two, which is great. This is a two-part. This is, let's see, Sigrid Olsen, which I've actually sold a couple, and it doesn't go usually for that much. What is she saying? Yeah, so 15 to 18 for both of these. But this is a little unlined lightweight jacket, and it's this really pretty color. Cute design. And then there are some matching pants. Those are cute. Oh, these are petite pants. Was the other one petite? No. So size 12 on the top, size 10 petite on the bottom. So we'll give that a shot. I mean, it's cute for the season. Kind of a slim leg, straight slim. So she's thinking about 15 to 18 for each, listing them separate since they're not technically the same size, but then adding in the listing that there's a matching just in case. All right, so it looks like the next few items, or the last few items, are some men's items. And this is Prana, a men's button down. So here's the label. Size extra large, perfect for a guy for spring and summer. She's suggesting or thinking it should be 24 to 30. Oh, another Robert Graham. Oh man. Wow. Talk about funky. That means this is going to be worth more. Okay, so some embroidery. Wow, this is something. I mean, if you like Robert Graham, this is right up your alley. So here's the label. It's a size XL classic fit. It's got some embroidery and some spots like throughout. Oh, interesting. Wow, this is funky. Oh, she's thinking 80 to 100 for this, which I do know with the past Robert Grahams that we've looked at that, again, the loud color kind of crazy prints do a lot better, and some of them can sell for that much. So that's not surprising to me. That's awesome. All right, so a few more items, and looks like these are some ties. What? This is a Tabasco. Is he in a Christmas? No, I guess that's the bottle, like the red sauce. Oh, that's funny. It's a Tabasco tie. I don't know if it's silk. It kind of feels like it. Where's the little label? Yeah, silk. How funny. So what is she saying with this? 15 to 20 for this. There is, this looks like Michael Jordan tie. That's fun. So it's his, oh, it's the Bugatachi, which sold at Nordstrom. So it's another silk tie. So there's his signature, and then it must have been a collaboration with the Bugatachi brand, which I've sold that men's brand before. That's fun. She's also thinking about 15 to 20. And then last, oh, these are fun. Oh man, what in the world? One with farm animals and one with four. Okay, so these are suspenders. They look new. And okay, so this pair, I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but this is apparently forest animals. So there's what, like a chipmunk, an owl. Is that a peacock? Emu? Yeah, I think that's a peacock. Anyways, so that's that print. And they don't, it's called PCT Germany. So they do have a brand on them. And then another pair with barn animals, right? Farm animals, yeah. So this same style, but it's got cows. Yeah, it's got some cows on it. So I think these girls seem like they were a lot of fun. So that is hilarious. She's actually thinking about list them together, 32 to 40 for the pair, which is awesome. So anyways, thank you, Mom, as always. Thank you for doing the comps because that saves me some time. And thanks for finding this random yard sale. This is a lot of great stuff. She's saying that if the range of prices that she shared, she spent $23 and the sale price will be between $600 and $750 if those prices were received. So awesome. Super exciting. I just like seeing what she finds without me, and hopefully I can get this all listed very quickly because I think it's a lot of fun stuff. So anyways, if you like this video, definitely feel free to hit the thumbs up. It means a lot to me and it means a lot to my mom, who's probably gonna watch this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye.